Okay, no one has done a video on how to adjust the headlights on a Chevrolet HHR. So I figured I would do one just to show where to go and how to do it. Alright, if you look right there, right behind the headlight, that little bolt right there, if you turn it clockwise, you'll raise the headlight. If you turn it counterclockwise, it'll lower the headlight. And that's the passenger side. Now the driver's side is a little bit more difficult because it's underneath that line right there for the AC. Once again, counterclockwise lowers it, clockwise raises it.